Welcome all of you to my this video. In this video again I come with VVI problem of volume surface area. As you observe, our question is the height of a cone is 30 centimeter. As you observe here OA is the height of a cone which is 30 centimeter. A small cone is cut off at the top by a plane parallel to the base. As you observe here, this is line parallel to its base, and the upper portion is just cut off. If its volume V 1 by 27 of the volume of the given cone. Given here the volume of the upper portion, radius portion, is 1 by 27 of the whole cone. Now our question is, at what height above the base the section has been made? That is, we have to find out the distance AC. But before starting our problem, I have to discuss a very important properties of triangle. This is similarity. I just going to compare two triangles. As you observe here, ABC, DEF. This is very important property here. Suppose that angles are equal. Angle 1, that is angle A, equals to angle D. Angle 1 equals to angle 1. Angle 2 equals to angle 2. And the third angle 3 equals to 3. What we get here? In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, here we observe angle A equals to angle D, angle B equals to angle E, and angle C equals to angle F. That is, both triangles are equiangular. Both triangles are equiangular. In this case, if two triangles are equiangular, then what we have to get? In this case, the triangles are said to be similar. So, triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. This time is read as similar to. When two triangles are similar, then what we get here? Then the side opposite, then the ratio of the side opposite to equal angles are equal. That is opposite to angle 1 BC. Here opposite to angle 1, that is EF. Again opposite to angle 2, that is AC. Opposite to angle 2, that is DF. Opposite to angle 3, that is AC. That is AB. And opposite to 3, that is DE. If triangles are equiangular, then they are said to be similar. If triangles are similar, then the ratio of the side of equal angles are equal, that is BC, by EF equals to AC by DF equals to AB by D. There are also very important thing, if only two angles are equal, then what we get here? Third angle is also equal. So if two angles are only equal, then triangle is also similar. That's okay. Now I am going to discuss our problems. Here we have a right circular cone. So the angle between height and radius of base must be right angle. And these two lines are parallel, so this angle is also 90 degree. Angle A equals to 90 degree, so angle C equals to 90 degree. Then we get two triangles, triangle OAB and triangle OCD. In both the triangles, angle A equals to angle C and angle X is common. In triangle OAB and triangle OCD. So two angles are equal, X is equals to X and angle A equals to angle C. Solution. In triangle OAB and triangle OCD, what we get here? Angle C, that is angle, very first we take it, angle A equals to angle C equals to 90 degree and angle O equals to angle O. Common. Therefore, two angles are equal, so third angle must be equal. Therefore, triangle OAB similar to triangle OCD. Two triangles are equal. Then what we get? Side opposite to equal angles, that is opposite side of X. So we get here CD by AB and another, that is opposite to angle D, that is OC equals to opposite to B, that is OA equal. This is first. Let height and radii of the smaller and larger cones, we for smaller we take small and for larger we take capital H. Now volume of
larger. Volume of very first we take is smaller. Volume of is smaller. Cone while volume of larger cone given here 1 by 27.
Our question,
Place volume of a smaller cone. We will see a formula 1 by 3 pi small r small h. For larger 1 by 3 pi r square h, that is 1 by 27. Pi cancel.
from here what we get here, when we use equation 1, what we get here, this is a small r, CD small r, AB capital R, here OA that is H and OC that is small h.
So we can get here from equation 1. Or r by r whole square into h by h equals to 1 by 3 whole cube. 1 cube equals to 1
And 3 cube equals to 27. But here what we get here, CD from equation 1, CD by AB.
from 1 CD by AB equals to AO equals to OC by OA, that is R by R equals to H by H.
So from equation 1 and 2, we can write H in place of R. From equation 1 and 2,
On equation 1 and 2, we can write
H by H in place of R by R.
increase H by H whole square, H by H 1 by 3 whole cube.
Finally, we can write here, add the power
2 plus 1, that is 3. H by H whole cube 1 by 3 whole cube increase H by H equals to 1 by 3 increase 3H equals to capital H,
and the value of capital H is given 30
centimeter. So what we get here, 3H equals to 30 centimeter. Therefore H equals to 30 by 3, 10 centimeter.
Now from figure, we have to find out the value of AC.
AC equals to H minus H, 30 minus 10 cm, that is 20 cm.
So we have to cut at the height of 20 centimeter from its base. Thank you. That's all.